ask, because this is too much and this is not possible. Is a very but okay. You take me one day and I will check. Good evening, beta. Today 12th, tomorrow exam is there, yaar. I was giving them class. After that, waiting for material. I waited for material so long. It did not came. Then I am taking maths class itself. Yeah, I was giving. You saw that na previous itself class till 1.5 hour it went. Just now class got over, beta, 5-10 minutes before. Then I started taking class. So one by one class is coming. Continuously classes are coming. Now, beta, we'll go for our questions. Arunisha has given some questions. School NCRT questions. I'm going to start. Shall we start the questions, beta? Tomorrow also school is there or holiday is there? Now let's start the question sessions, beta. The next question was, last time we have done that conical tent question. Now we will talk about the fifth question. Fifth question, NCRT exercise 11.1, question number 5. Exercise 11.1, question number 5. What is the question is, what length of turpuline, start writing, beta. What length of turpuline, this is question number, what length of turpuline 3 meter wide will be required? So one turpuline cloth is there, and its length they are asking, what length of turpuline 3 meter wide, this is 3 meter wide, 3 meter wide is required, will be required to make conical tent of height. So this cloth is going to get converted into a conical tent. Okay, a conical tent. This cloth is going to get converted into a conical tent of height 8 meter. So height is coming as 8 meter and radius is coming as 6 meter. Height is coming as 8 meter and radius is coming as 6 meter, assuming that the extra length of the material that will be required for stitching margin and waist in cutting approximately 20 centimeter. So extra cloth material is 20 centimeter. Extra cloth material is how much? 20 centimeter. NCERT question. This is a turpuline cloth. Okay. So length is L and width is 3 meter. And this turpuline cloth is going to make one conical tent. Okay. So in this conical tent, the height of the conical tent is 8 meter and the radius is 6 meter. At the time of making extra cloth material, see, look here. So extra cloth material is exactly needed. Waste cloth material. Good evening, Aru. Tomorrow 12th class is having exam, beta. So only I was giving them class. You might be seeing. So now look at beta. The extra cloth material is there. In that extra cloth material, how much extra cloth material is wasted, beta? They are telling that assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margin and waist in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. Extra cloth material, extra cloth material is 20 centimeter wastage is there. Extra cloth material 20 centimeter is getting wasted. Understood? So this is the part we have to do, beta. Now come on, go for it. Are we going to start the part? Now we are going to solve this question, beta. So what is exactly there is this is the cloth, turpuline cloth. First understand the question very nicely. You inform Kanishk that class started, beta. I have shared the link in the group. Inform Kanishk that class started. Yeah, I informed Kanishk that Hmm. So now beta here. So you need to understand here that extra cloth material is 20 centimeter. Now you need to understand that in this material length will be exactly how much is there. So we need to remember this part that extra length of the material is exactly going to be used. So how many of you are wanting to solve this question? Come on, try this question out. Everyone start solving this question, please. Try this question out. How to solve this question? Let's see this part, beta. Ready? Yes. Did you informed beta Kanishk? Did you informed Kanishk? Did you informed? Shall I start now? Now look here, beta. Shall I start? Okay. So this is exactly the question. Now we have to solve this question. Extra material is given as Arnisha. Check that question. Beta 20 square centimeter is there. Is 20 centimeter is there because height given is 8 and this. So first we'll find the slant height. Beta start. Okay. So first we'll get the slant height. So we will write first slant height. Slant height of conical tent. L is what? Slant height of conical tent. So L will become slant height of conical tent. Conical tent. Slant height of conical tent. So L will be equal to root under slant height of conical tent h square plus r square. So L will be equal to 8 square plus 6 square. So L will be equal to 64 plus 36. So L will be equal to root under 100. L is coming as 10 centimeters. So slant height is coming as how much, beta? Slant height is coming as only 20 centimeters. Square is not there now. That's what I was searching. So here it is coming as length is coming as 20, 10 centimeter. Now what is the curved surface area of the conical tent? So CSA of conical tent. CSA of conical tent will be equal to pi RL. So it will be coming as CSA of conical tent is pi RL, beta. So pi we will take 3.14 into 10 into radius given here is 6. So here it will become how much, beta? 6 fours are 24, 6 ones are 6, 7, 8, 6 threes are 18. Now here 0. So after 2 digit it will come. So 188.40 square centimeter will become the CSA of conical tent. But beta, this is not it, because now you need to know that the conical tent is having extra length 0.2 20 centimeter wastage is there that we will be removing. But what is the total length? Total length of the turpulin. So this CSA of cone will be equal to area, this length into width of the, because this only is going to make the tent now. So area of this cloth will be equal to area of this cone. So here it will become length into breadth of the cone. So CSA is given how much, beta? 3.14 into 10 into 6 is equal to length we don't know, but the breadth is coming as 3. So without multiplication we can also write. So length is equal to 3.14 into 10 into 6 by length we don't know, but breadth is coming, so it will become 2. So L is equal to 20 into 3.14. So L is equal to 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So this much meter is coming. Okay, so this much meter is coming. Now beta 20 centimeter of cloth is getting wasted. So 20 centimeter of cloth is exactly getting 20 centimeter of cloth is getting wasted. So now here length we got. In that length 20 centimeter is square is not there, no problem. 20 centimeter length is getting wasted, beta. So what we will do, 20 centimeters, since length is getting wasted, So what we will do is we will be just whatever is wasted, we are going to write down that one. So 62.8 is there, correct? Now in that extra length is how much, which is getting wasted is, wasted part is 20 centimeter. Wasted is 20 centimeter, that is 0.2 meter. So beta that material also should be added in the length now to get the total length, because this is CSA of cone, final CSA of cone, and that is L into B. But extra material which is get wasted is has to be added. Okay, so it has to be added in the CSA to get the total length. Got it? So this is going to be added in the length, that is 62.8 plus 0.2 meter. So total is coming as 63 meter. I hope you might have understood. So this total part is coming as 63 meter. Note down beta. Yes, 63 meter is going to be the total length. Why beta 0.2? Because see, length into width is equal to, the cone part. Understood? So length into width is coming for the cone part. So once we are writing for the cone section length into width, that part is exactly going to be writing this section. So now please check this one out. Kanishk, are you there in the group? Yes, 63 is going to be the answer, beta. That's absolutely correct. I hope you might have understood this one, beta. So this is exactly going to work. The total length is coming as 63 meter. The total length part is coming as how much, beta? 63 meter. 63 meter is going to be the answer. I hope till here it is all right, beta. Is it all right? Shall I go for the next question? Very good. Shall I go for the next question, children? I hope till here it is okay. Very good. So now, yes, Auntie, to the next question. Wait, but I'm checking the next question from your message only. I'm checking all the questions. First, I'm doing those questions which you have given. NCRT questions first we'll finish. After that, only extra questions we will do. Now, next question is beta. This is cost of canvas. Okay, what is the length of the hump? The slant height of a base of diameter. Now, beta, this is NCRT question. NCRT question. Check this one out. This is NCRT question number 6. This NCRT question number 6. The slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb is the slant height and base diameter of a conical tomb. So this is a conical tomb. The slant height L and the base diameter of the conical tomb is 25 meter and the base diameter of the conical tomb is 14 meter respectively. Okay. Now what they are telling, find the cost of whitewashing it, curved surface area at a rate of, so we have to find the cost of whitewashing it, cost of whitewashing it at a rate of, at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 square meter. Rupee 210 per 100 square. Okay. So now we are going to start the next part. So now look here. So first work is diameter given is 7. So what will become the radius? So radius will become 7 meter. So if diameter is 14, what is the radius? Radius is coming as 7 meter. Okay. So now first we have to find cost of whitewashing it. So they will whitewash the curved surface area only, na. So whitewash the curved surface area means CSA of cone will be equal to pi RL. So what is pi beta? Pi is 22 by 7 we will take here, and radius is 7 and slant height is given as 25. So this and this cancel. So 22 into 25 square meter will become the what you call CSA of cone. Now cost of whitewashing, total cost of whitewashing is equal to rupees 210 by 100 square meter into CSA. CSA is 22 into 25. Okay. So now what we will do, this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. 5 5s are 25 and here meter square. So meter square cancel. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 and this is coming as 11. So rupees 21 into 11 into 5. So rupees, here it is coming as 55 into 21. So here it is coming as 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and there 105. So 5511. So 1155. Beta, can you check? This is the total cost 1155. 1155 rupees. Can you check 1155 rupees? 1155. Can you check, beta? Aru, check this part. I'll inform that. Check this part, beta. Answer is coming as 1155. Tanisha, Arunisha, check the answer, beta. 1155. This is the answer. 1155 is coming as the answer. Yes. NCRT book, beta, you are having missed. Check. I have sent you the time schedule for 10th and 9th. Can you check and inform me? Is it done, beta? Okay, super. So let's see. This is exactly, answer is okay. That's what I told you to check. That's what I'm telling you to check. Check and inform me. Your weather is very bad, yaar. Network is also like that only. Coming, going, power cutting, coming. Yeah. Is it done, beta? Correct. Now we will go for the next question. Okay. So that means what? We will go for the next NCRT question. The next question is, I was waiting for your permission, madam, because after that only I will be going for the next question. Go for the next question. Next question, NCRT question, beta. What is the next question is? Now look here, Sham. The question is, beta, the length, a joker cap is in the form of right circular cone. Okay, this is a joker cap. Little bit design I will make. Okay, this is the joker cap is in the form of right circular cone. He he. So this is the joker cap and it is in the form of right circular cone. Appa. It is in the form of right circular cone. Radius is given as beta. Radius is given as, just note down beta. Radius is given as mm, 7 centimeter, and height is given as 24 centimeter. Height is given as 24 centimeter. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So 10 such caps you have to make. 10 such caps. So first surface area, curved surface area, one cap we will find. Yes, height is coming as 24. Now look here. So here, this is beta, you need to remember there. So here it is coming as height and this. So we need to find slant height. So slant height formula is h square plus r square beta. Is it raining outside? It is 24 square plus 7 square. So 7 square will come how much beta? 49 plus 24 square is 576. Now check this one out. 24 square 576. How much it is coming? 695, 625. So it will come 25 centimeter. So slant height is coming as 25 centimeter. So once slant height is coming as 25 centimeter, we will find the curved surface area. CSA will be equal to pi RL. So CSA of one cap CSA is coming as how much beta? One cap is 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into slant height is 25. So this and this, so that is 22 into 25 square centimeter is the CSA of one cap. Therefore, CSA of one cap is 22 into 25 square centimeter. But how many caps are there? Total 10 caps are there. Hey, now it is cap. Now CSA of 10 caps. CSA of 10 caps is 22 into 25 into 10. So it is coming 250 into 22 square centimeter. So it is coming as 0. 25 into 22, 2, 5, 10. 2 to the 4, 1, 5. It is coming 5, 5, 0, 0 square centimeter. It is coming as 5500. Hello, sir. Now it is looking now. Hello, beta. So now look here. This is exactly for 10 caps. How much it is coming? 5500 square centimeter. Note down this one, right? How many of you people online first to check and say me the answer? It is coming as 5500 square centimeter. Ha ha ha. Now it is looking very beautiful here. Answer okay? Come on, go for the next one, beta. We'll go for the next question. Wait, you are making fun of my cap? Now you say? Answer came, beta. Aru, check it out, beta. We'll go for the next question, beta. Done. We'll go for the next question. Uh, 9 o'clock. Hey, I solved it, yaar. See, so much nicely I've made photo also. You finished for you. Answer came na beta. Shall we go for the next question? Last NCRT question beta we are going to check. Then we will go for the next question. Okay. Done. I did for you only. I'm drawing. This is done, Nabita. See, 22 into 25 is coming. 25 into 22, how much it is coming? 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 1 5. So this much coming as square centimeter is the area, CSA. Okay. Now we will go for the next question. Beta, one full exercise is going to be over. A bus stop is barricaded from remaining part of a road by using 50 hollow conical cones. So you know na 50 hollow cones are there na. So when 50 hollow cones are there, like this type of cones we are seeing na on bus stop, like this cones are there na, which is exactly stopping or barricading the areas. Okay, so like 50 hollow cones are there barricaded from the remaining part of the road. 50 hollow cones, how many cones are there? 50 hollow cones are there. Okay, 50 hollow cones are there. After that, they are made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter. So, what is the diameter of the base of the cone? Diameter is exactly coming as how much? 40 centimeter. Okay. Now, and height, a question is not visible, beta. Can you send me the question, because one part of the question is cut? Aru, can you resend the question? Question number 8 beta, because the question is cut. It is not visible to me. Hollow cones of 40 centimeter. Height is how much? Diameter is 40. Height is, I think, 1 meter is given. Height, this height is exactly given as 1 meter. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Height is coming as 1 meter. Check this one out. Height is coming as 1 meter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If the outer side of each of cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is outer side, outer side of the cone is to be painted. Understood? Outer side of the cone is to be painted. Ishant. Okay. Outer side of the cone, see, you need to, the cone has been diameter 40 and height 1 meter. If the outer side of the cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is, write down beta, the cost of painting, and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per square meter. Okay, then what will be the cost of painting? What will be the cost of painting? What will be the cost of painting? Now wait. I'm seeing that beta. For that only I asked you. Yeah, I'm doing that only beta right now. Cost of painting all these cones, of all these cones. Okay. बेटा पहले वाला क्वेश्चन में क्या था ना, तुमको बस उसमें देखना है कि सर्कस वाला जो था ना, एक कैप का कर्व सरफेस एरिया निकालेगा ना, उसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देगा तो 10 कैप का कर्व सरफेस एरिया आ जाएगा. ठीक है, उसमें ज़्यादा कुछ करना था नहीं, ठीक है। और इस वाले क्वेश्चन में क्या है, ये क्वेश्चन में है कि यू हैव टू पेंट दिस वन। now beta this hollow cones are there na, that is made with cardboard. So now what you have to do, 50 such hollow cones are needed in the station. So now in this 50 such cones are needed in the station means कि here one cone, what is exactly going to be, one cone will be what. So here first you see this is exactly coming in centimeter diameter, because the entire question is coming in meter, so we will convert it into meter. So it will become diameter is 40, so radius will become 40 divided by 2 means 20 centimeter, that is 0.20 meter. Understood? Because 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 1 centimeter, so 20 by 100, that is 0.2 meter is coming. So 0.20 or 0.2 meter is the radius. Now beta, what we are going to do here is कि we have converted into meter. So curved surface area of only one, like this hollow cone will be what, CSA is equal to pi RL. This is the biggest challenge, because here you have to find height is given as 1 meter, radius is coming as 0.2. So first you have to find slant height. So slant height will be coming as 1 square plus 20 by 100, that is 0.2 whole square. It is coming as this. So 1 plus, it is coming as how much beta, 0.2 whole square, because they have given in the question the values. In that values they have given 1.04, root under 1.04 value they have given, because this one will come 0.04. So total it is coming as 1.04. So 1.04 when you are solving, it is coming as 1.02. Got it? 1.04 after root they have given the value 1.02 beta. So this will come slant height. So this is slant height. So CSA is equal to pi RL. So pi will be what taking? So here in pi taking they are telling 3.14. R radius is coming as 0.2 and slant height is coming as 1.02. So beta, this is CSA of one cone, but you have to find CSA of how many cones? You have to find CSA of 50 cones. So CSA of 50 cones of 50 cones will be equal to what? It will come 3.14 into 0.2 into 1.02 into 50. Okay. So this part is coming as total. This is coming as 3.14 into 1.02 into 52 is 100, and here after 1, so 10 is coming. So here it is coming 3.14 into 1.02 into 10. Okay. So now it is coming as 3.14 into 10.2, because this 10 will shift, it will become 10.2. So this much square meter is the curved surface area, and beta they are telling 12 meter square is the cost. So for 50 cons total meter, in meter this much is the area. So total cost will come rupees 12 by meter square. Okay beta, rupees 12 per meter square into 3.14 into 10.2 meter square. So this and this will get cancelled beta. Now final answer will come in rupees. So what I did literally, not done big work. I first found slant height. After finding slant height, I found curved surface area of one cone. Then beta, total cone, how many cones were there? Total 50 cones were there. So curved surface area of 50 cone means multiplied with 50. So now 0.2 into 50, 50 into 0.2. How much it will come? 2 into 50 will become 100, so it will become 10. Now 10 into this much part is there. So this 1020. So after 2 digits it will become 10.2. So till this much we have finished. Now beta, only multiplication work is left, that is 10.2 and 12. It is coming as 384336. Okay, after 1 2 3, 1 2 3. That is the correct answer. Understood. So this is coming as 384 rupees 0.33 paise. 384 rupees 0.33 paise. Nothing big is there in this question, beta. Aru, can you send me the next chapter screenshot, beta, so that I can start the next question? Next exercise is about which part? I will be discussing about that section. Okay. So this is the end of one exercise of NCRT along with cone questions. Okay, we have done all the cone questions related to NCRT. Now beta, we will be going for the next exercise. So next exercise is about what? If you will be sending me the information, I will be telling you what and all to be done in that part. Aru, can you send me quickly, beta? If you are present in the group means send me quickly. Sphere, we are going to study surface area of sphere and hemisphere. Surface area of sphere and hemisphere, beta. We'll start surface area of sphere and hemisphere. So now look here. We are going to just remove this part because this we have studied. So now look here, beta. When we will be talking about sphere and hemisphere, this is exactly called as sphere. Understood? The sphere is just like, okay, this is three-dimensional figure. This will become radius r. This will also become radius r, beta. Okay, so this is radius r and this radius r. So if somebody will ask you volume of sphere, so when somebody will ask you volume of sphere, so volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Understood? Now beta, total surface area. Here only the total surface area of sphere will be there and it will become 4 pi r square. What is the total surface area? 4 pi r square. This is the total. Sphere is exactly having volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube and total surface area of sphere will become beta 4 pi r square. Now if somebody will be discussing you, Aru, did you send that? Now we will be going for the next part. Next is hemisphere. So if somebody will be giving you hemisphere, beta, this is exactly radius r and this is radius r. So what is the volume? Okay, thank you, Aru. So this is, what is the volume? Volume will become half of sphere. So it will become 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is 2 by 3 pi r cube will become what? Understood. And beta, what will be the CSA? CSA means only curved part. CSA will be only curved part. So CSA will be equal to 2 pi r square. Understood. So check it, is it visible or not? I'm checking, beta. Ama, I got it. Second part also send, beta. Now what is TSA? TSA means CSA, curved surface, and this base circle. The total will become 3 pi r square. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. This is 1 and this is 2. So this is exactly the total entire formula, beta, entire process we need to. Got it. So this is coming as a sphere and this is coming as hemisphere. Hemisphere means what, beta? Hemisphere means the volume. So if sphere को आधा काटो तो वो क्या हो जाता है? हेमिस्फेयर. ठीक है. सो ईशांत, जब भी हेमिस्फेयर को, स्फीयर को आधा काटोगे तो वो क्या होगा? एक बॉल ले लो, उसको आधा उसके डायमीटर से काटोगे तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? वो बन जाएगा तुम्हारा हेमिस्फेयर. और हेमिस्फेयर को हम हाफ ऑफ स्फीयर भी कहते हैं. तो इसका वॉल्यूम अगर 4 बाई 3 पाई आर स्क्वायर होगा तो आधा वॉल्यूम जो होगा बेटा वो क्या हो जाएगा? 2 बाई 3 पाई आर क्यूब. ठीक है. अब कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया, इस स्फीयर का तो टोटल वी आर फाइंडिंग ना बेटा, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू फाइंड हाफ ऑफ इट. सो टोटल सरफेस एरिया विल बिकम 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. बट हेयर when you are going to talk about CSA means what? एक कटोरा लेंगे, कटोरा का हाफ पार्ट लेंगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर. Means only when we will be talking this region when we will be talking about, this will become what? This will become CSA. Okay, curved surface area, when the curved region is only taken. Now the bottom part of the sphere, when we are talking about, check this one out, when the bottom part of the sphere is exactly in the form of circle only, na, the bottom part of the sphere is in the form of circle and circle area is pi r square. So this region is 2 pi r square and this base region is pi r square. Total it will become 3 pi r square. I hope you might have understood beta. So this is coming as 2 pi r square curved surface area, and when total will be coming, it is coming as 3 pi r square. Till here everything understandable beta, because the next exercise for grade 9 is exactly sphere and hemisphere. Sphere and hemisphere. Did you got till here everyone? Sphere and hemisphere beta. So based on that I am going to solve the questions of sphere and hemisphere. Appa. Very good beta. So I'll start the exercise part. Let's start talking about 11.2 exercise. NCRT 11.2 exercise beta. So now 11.2 exercise, first question what they're asking is, so if we will do 11.2 exercise, 11.2 first question beta. First question is they're telling find the surface area of sphere. So surface area you have to find. What you have to find? Surface area. Surface area of sphere. So you need to find the surface area of sphere. Got it? So how you are going to find surface area of sphere? First time they are telling radius is given to you as 10.5. First radius is given as 10.5 centimeter. Second part radius is given as 5.6 centimeter. Third part radius is given as 14 centimeter. So radius is given. So now beta surface area, we know na sphere when we are drawing, so its surface area will be 4 pi r square. What is the surface area of sphere? 4 pi r square. So it is not having curved surface area. For a sphere, total surface area only will be there. So CSA surface area of sphere, surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. So first part what it will become? It will become surface area is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. Done. So 7 ones are 7, 1.5 beta. So it is coming 88 into 1.5 into 10.5. Done. So if you will multiply, you will get the total surface area. Got it? So 88, 1.5, so 1320 into 10.5 beta. So this will become the surface area. So now 132 10.5. So it is coming as how much? 13860. Finally, how much it is coming? 1386 square centimeter. This is the area. 1386 square centimeter. Yes, beta, absolutely correct. So this is exactly coming as 1386 square centimeter. This is first answer. Second radius is given as how much beta? 5.6. So second surface area formula is 4 pi r square. So it is coming 4 into 22 by 7 into radius part is coming as 5.6 into 5.6. So 5.6 is what? 7 8s are 56. So 0.8. So 88 into 0.8 into 5.6. So 8864, 8864. Check. So 704, 70.4 and here 5.6 is there. It is coming as 39424. So after 2 digit 394.24 square centimeter. This is coming for the second part. Now the third question beta, it is coming 14 is given to you. Good evening Ila version, just 2 minutes beta. Surface area is equal to 4 pi r square, 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. This is gone to 88 into 28. So it is coming as 2464 square centimeter. Then 2464 square centimeter. Yes, 394.24 square centimeter and 2464 square centimeter. Night time till here, beta. So this is first question of exercise. We have finished. Okay. So tomorrow we will be again doing, but tomorrow work par we are going to do beta, second part of the exercise. Then next exercise, total how many exercises there beta? Total how many exercises are there? It's raining here, yaar. Okay, I'm going to keep it till here beta because I'm having another class today. 12th is having exams, so only I'm stuck up fully. Bye beta, take care.